Hey everybody, this is Justin with Saunders Realty. I'm excited to show you a new townhome that we have up for rent. The address is 3979 Village Park Court in Winston Salem. We'll start by giving you a quick shot of our surroundings here, show off the neighborhood. This is conveniently located right off of Peters Creek Parkway, so it's convenient to Interstate 40 to Peters Creek Parkway, and it's not too far from downtown. Okay, so going in the front door, you can see that this has a nice open layout. So as soon as you come in the door to your left, there's a dining area here. Got a cupboard there. And just to your right, as you walk in the door, there's a coat closet. Includes a dishwasher, oven, and refrigerator. The kitchen looks out over the living room. There's a half bath located right off the kitchen. Got a nice sized living room. And this leads out to a patio. You've got a storage closet there. So now going upstairs. This townhome has 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Both bedrooms are upstairs. This is one bedroom. Here's your closet. It's a full bath. This is where your washer and dryer connections are. Then this is the master bedroom. So you've got a cathedral ceiling in here, 2 closets, and this is the master bath with a double vanity. So again, this has been Justin with Saunders Realty. If you'd like to see this townhome in person, you can visit our website, rentwinston.com. Call our office at 336-939-6275, or email us at info@srealtynow.com.